what's up, guys? I'm here to make a new airplane video. My name is JJ, and on the other side of the camera is Silas. Yo, Silas, show yourself.
Okay. What's up?
All right, let's see. So today I'm gonna show you how to make like a cool flying airplane that I've always been making. I'm using scratch sheet of paper. So let's get to it. So the first thing you're gonna do is put this side like this, and put. It doesn't matter how it looks. It just it flies anyways. So then you put it on this side. And then you fold this in if you have an extra piece out. And then you fold this like this. Like, this is like a very easy, fast airplane to learn how to do. It's like super easy. Then you flatten that piece out like that. And then you open it like this again. But you have to open it like this. Then you fold these two pieces. And that other piece. Then you fold that. Alright, there we go. I got to do the video. Then you fold this in. You do that. And then you open it like this. Fold it like that. Then you open these like this. This is a quick learning video, how to learn how to make an airplane video. Like and subscribe. And my brother, he loves y'all. Loves y'all all. If y'all subscribe, alright? Bye.